Welcome back to the channel, guys. I got a surprise today. I'm actually down in sunny Southern California for a little family trip, but I'm staying at my uncle's house tonight, and this is the uncle who got me into Cummins diesels. So this truck sitting behind me is one of my favorite trucks. I don't know, since the past 15 years since I've known diesels. He's done a lot of work to it. I was hoping to drive it today, but it's not registered, so we'll see if we can start it up, and I'll show you some of the stuff he's done to it. It looks very stock, but it's definitely I mean, it's not a race truck or anything, but it's definitely a fun truck. So let's go check it out. So first thing you'll notice is rust free. No rust on this thing. Show you the frame. It's two-wheel drive, sits a little higher. I'm not sure if he's actually put different coils in it to get it to sit up a little bit. It used to have a big utility bed on it when he bought it. So this isn't the original bed. And you can see it's been sitting here for a couple of years. There's probably one of the only dents in the body is right here on the bed. Yeah, there you can see how clean the frame is. And it's got a 4-inch straight pipe exhaust that dumps out the side right here. Tires are pretty much brand new. Right before he stopped driving it much, he put these new 16-inch Hilo wheels on them and put new tires on it. So pretty much brand new. Nice LE bumper. All the pads are in great condition. It's not bent, which is rare. The grill, it's got the one crack starting, the notorious crack between the D and the G. But it looks really nice. Needs cleaned up, obviously. It's been sitting. Show you the inside of it. Original bench seat. It's actually not all worn out. The odometer says 145.57, and that's true and still counting. So 145,000 miles. It's got on the pillar, it's got boost and EGT. Dash is not cracked. It's got all the trim pieces. Headliner, a few bubbles here and there, but it's a shame this thing is just sitting here. This would make a great truck, work truck or project truck, or just a truck to be able to tinker on. So I've got the keys. Let's see if, I'm not even sure if it's got a battery in it, but we'll see. Oh boy, the dreaded buzzer. Here goes the second buzzer. That was one of the first things I did to my truck, was pull those buzzers out of there. I just can't stand them. Nothing. So he's got a trailer brake here. This switch, I am pretty sure, is for his lockup. He's got a 47 RH transmission in here, and I think this is for lockup, and he uses the stock OD button for overdrive. So it's a pretty quick truck. It's a nice 47 RH transmission, and it'll fly down the freeway with that lockup. So let's pop the hood and see what it looks like under there. So he's got the manual shut-off cable just like my truck has. Oh hey, a couple cats in here. That's probably why we're not getting it to start, is that battery terminal's not tightened down. Clean, so the pump, oh there's another cat. The pump on here is maxed out and it is tuned really well. This is one of the best tuned VE pump trucks that I've ridden in before. I've actually never driven this truck, which is a shame, but it's a fun truck to drive. Needs cleaned up, but it's clean. Big exhaust with a big open pipe with an AFE air filter on it. Looks like it's got the stock H1C turbo. Just needs cleaned up. This thing's so clean to be sitting here. Anyways, let's see. Anyways, this is the truck. I figured if I'm down here in the area, I'd get some footage of it. I was hoping to start it up and see how she sounds, but I think the battery terminals need to be cleaned up a little bit, and I'm not sure when the last time any fluids were changed on it, so it's probably a good idea that it doesn't start today. But here it is. This would be a fun one to work on and do a couple more things to it. Thanks for tuning into the video, guys, and thanks for waiting here till the end for the announcement. Pretty excited about this. My uncle has actually reached out to me, and he would like me to bring that truck up to Utah to do some work on it and film it for the channel. So it should be a pretty fun project. Like you can see, this truck's a really good start for a project. So in the next couple of weeks, I'll be flying back down to California and driving that truck back up here. So stay tuned for all that content. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, remember to subscribe down below. And please like this video. It really helps my channel out a ton. So we'll see you guys in the next video.